Now to flooding from last month. Vermont business owners impacted by July floods are learning about how they can get free legal advice. We first told you about the program being offered by the Vermont Law and Graduate School last week. Well, it has now reached more than 24 businesses. Fox 44's Matt Holderman spoke with one business owner getting legal help from this program, and he joins us live in the newsroom with more on how it intends to reach people.
Yeah, Lauren, that's right. Well, the law experts running this program say they're starting to see a higher demand now for that legal aid as people get deeper into the flood recovery process. They tried further spreading word of the program tonight in Barrie, and while not too many people approached them tonight, they say the connections they have made so far are making a difference.
We're thinking, oh, we're on the second floor, we'll be fine.
Back in early July, when the historic floods washed through Vermont, Esme Hall was one of only a few business owners in downtown Montpelier who didn't have their shop destroyed by the raging waters. But even after she escaped the initial impact unscathed, the flood still found a way to destroy part of her business.
Into the second week, as it progressed, the buildings weren't necessarily tended to properly on our side of the street. So that basement began molding, and the mold started traveling upwards toward the second floor. And, the air was just, everything was wet. Like even the air, the furniture was damp.
Water damage forced Hall to throw away every piece of furniture in her tattoo shop, and she decided to vacate the property. With breaking a lease being something new to her, she went to the Vermont Law and Graduate School's free legal assistance program to ask questions.
We found some language in there, and I explained what that sort of language might mean for longer-term implications for the relationship. Does it allow the tenant to move out?
The school's Entrepreneurial Legal Laboratory, or VLCL for short, has received grant funding from the U.S. Small Business Administration, and they're using it to pay local attorneys to offer free training sessions and legal advice to people impacted by the flood. Hall was paired with one of their attorneys who could help answer lease questions, and she wasn't alone.
I've got probably 6 or 7 clients. It's been lots of lease questions, right? People need to know what to do about their lease. How do they negotiate with their landlord?
Fortunately for Hall, she received no pushback in breaking her lease and says the program helped take a big weight off her shoulders.
For me, it was really helpful to just have someone that wasn't in the position that I was in, trying to navigate all the things.
And the program is having more in-person sessions down the road. They note the deadline for Vermonters to apply for FEMA and SBA assistance is September 12th. It's coming up fast. So they'll be having a legal aid clinic in Barrie on September 2nd, and then another one in Ludlow on September 9th. Location still to be determined, but you could find more information about those on our website. Live in the newsroom, Matt Holderman, Fox 44 News.